Hello everybody. Today we got a fun video. This has been an ongoing project for, it's probably been a couple weeks now, but it's finally done and I'm ready to show you guys. We've got a 3D printed Scx24 body. It's a pickup truck. I'm super excited about it. I'm gonna include a picture of the Thingiverse page, I guess, so you can see who it is that designed it and find it for yourself if you want to. This is a cool one. So we'll show you the video, or we'll show you the picture. We'll show some footage of it actually on the printer, and then we're gonna do a little bit of an explanation as to what we got going on in it. And then at the end, we're gonna do some running. So stay tuned to the end and let's do it. Here it is in process. New hard body for the 24th scale. Super stoked about it. It's about a day and some change is how long it'll take. Unfortunately, a lot of this is just supports. All that diagonal grain stuff is just supports and all garbage. It's done. Let's get it off of here and see how it looks. All right, so we got it all out. We did have a fatality, 2 of them. Front bumper came off. The grill came off, and this little bar there. But all in all, I'm surprised I didn't break more, to be honest. It's super thin, super thin, and you can see in some spots where the pieces aren't quite connected, but all in all, I'm pretty stoked about it. All right, here it is. It's done. We got it all put together. We got it painted. I think it turned out super good. So we put the wheels and tires that I had on the, what is this, like the E1 chassis or something. I took them off here, threw the deadbolt tires on there, and so we've got these tires and wheels. They're pretty nice. Threw on some 3D printed high clearance links, and then we got a battery tray little holder back there. So I really like it. You can see what I did is the body, like I mentioned, was really flimsy. So I spray painted it with the textured spray paint and did several coats, and it actually, it like stiffened it up pretty decent. I also put a little E3000 glue on the joints and stuff to get it to stiffen those up. So it turned out awesome. I'm really happy about it. Went ahead, painted it gray, painted the bed black. Got the netting in the back black. It did bleed over a little bit just because of the texture, so that was a bummer. But it looks good, man. It looks good. So how did I mount it? I guess you saw a little glimpse there. I just put some magnets on it. So this magnet is a 3D printed deal. It just went right into the stock body posts, both sides. And then this one, I just glued down right to the back. Right here is where it hinged. So I just glued a magnet right there. Then glued the 2 magnets here and here, and it works like a charm. The sucker won't fall off. Fits great. Looks pretty good. I did need to, so there are a couple things I did to the body. I had to shorten it by, I think it was like 13 millimeters or something, because this body, if you just print it straight from the file, it's a little too long. You can see it's still kind of cuts it close here, but not too bad. I actually, so after I shortened it, it still wasn't enough, and I ended up trimming the fenders, the wheel wells on both sides, but I don't know, I think I did a pretty good job. I've trimmed it up, not taken away so much that it looks weird, but yeah. And then to keep things simple in here, I'm gonna take the battery, set it back here, plug that in right there, slap the body on, and the battery just is like pinned down back there. So I'm excited. I haven't driven this yet, so you'll see when I see. Let's get it out there on the course and see how it does. So to summarize for you guys, and you can keep watching, but I'll just give you the short story here. The body's awesome. It doesn't do anything to hurt the performance of this truck. It's great. So it was the deadbolt, so it's a little lower than the deadbolt. It's not very heavy, and it's awesome. It can tackle everything on this course that we threw at it, but a large part of that is just these wheels and tires. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll keep the footage rolling here for you, but that's the end of me talking. Till next time.